We are tasked to design a virtually appealing front page for a website using HTML and CSS.
I submitted this chat bot instead.
My name is Isaac Panikan from the front-end development in university. I use VS Code, CSS. I use Chrome sometimes to view my screen as I was developing the site. I use CSS code for a link when hovering or when the link is active. That I use the help of button active or button hover. For the VS Code, this was the software I used. This is my HTML code. Project. I hosted it on GitHub website, which allows it to be active, makes people access it from any device, either your mobile phone or your tablet. For example, if you open it from your system, this is how it will be. For the responsiveness, I use a laptop size of 1440. This is how it will look like to show you the sizes of different screens. Then this size is for laptop size of 1440. This size is for laptop size of 1024. This pixels. Then this size is for a tablet of 768 pixels. This size is for a mobile device of 425. This size is for a mobile device of 375 pixels. This is how it looks like on a mobile phone. I use a different style. I had to, because if I use the laptop style, it might not fit about my project. Thank you.
We are tasked to design a virtually appealing front page for a website using HTML and CSS. So the goal was to create a responsive and user-friendly interface that showcases the website's main content and features. Okay, and this is the front page. Going back to the technologies and tools that I made use of: HTML for the structuring and organizing of the content, Visual Code Studio. I used to write the HTML, and then the styling of it. Here is the styling of everything that is on that main page. Going back to this, I was able to create this on my own from beginning to the end. I just asked for directives and they gave me the directives and I make use of it and it worked. I can say I improved very greatly in HTML structuring and styling in CSS. Thank you very much. That is the end.
I was trying to build a portfolio. I submitted this chat bot instead. The site I used to host this platform, that's this static host by this link here. So I tried to remove their ad. This chatbot is just to help companies on their website. They have the FAQ section, the question section, you need to chat, you need the assistant, you need their contact. So it's going to bring something. So let's say you just say hi, then it's going to bring hey, welcome, your name and how may I assist you. Let's imagine I want games. I'm going to bring list of games. Then if I include one, so just there's a send button, there's a clean button too. Clean button just refresh the whole page. So the tools I used, so the languages, that's JavaScript. So I used CSS. It's very, very well. So thank you.
My name is Ezekiel. I'm part of the graphics design part of the University bootcamp, and this is my project. I'm creating of a logo for a clothing brand, standalone brand for clothing. I came up with the name Luminan, and the process is the first step for me trying to create this logo was to use an AI, the concepts and getting everything and how the logo is supposed to feel. So I was able to sketch out the logo, the idea for the logo I had in my head, sketch out a lot of sketches, and I was able to derive this L, like L standing for the first name, the luminant, and the I, which has the dot on it, like how to place it on it, so to make it like turn upside down. But like to look at very, very closely, look like a Fendi, so I had to look at other logos to trying to browse around before I could come up with this. So I was able to use Photoshop, and this is what I was able to come up with. This is the logos. Hope you can see my screen. I did Photoshop and a website called Places. This is the logo, everything in one place. This the logo, the standalone logo, the background, and the tagline. I was able to learn the basics of branding, what is the process of going through if you are trying to create a new brand and identity for your brand. I was able to learn that, and I was able to learn thanks to Get for the boost. Thank you.